Discount two-way radio can fix any radio, no matter where you bought it. Just fill out our simple repair form and free shipping label and hand it off to UPS. We'll take care of the rest. We provide simple, flat rate pricing, 2-day expedited shipping, and include a 30-day warranty on all repairs. Next, our service department scans your equipment for accurate tracking, and you will be notified every step of the way. The radios then go to our state-of-the-art repair facility where factory-trained technicians use the latest technology to repair each radio within just a few days. Once each radio is repaired and returned to factory specifications, we carefully repackage the equipment and expedite it back to you second-day air, absolutely free. Discount two-way radio. We know radios, so you don't have to.